So here's how to send Atok to MetaMask. First, you will need to open your MetaMask wallet, and then under tokens here, you should see three dots on the right. Click on the three dots and then click import tokens. And now click custom tokens tab, and we'll need to paste the token contract address, which you can get from Google. We'll need to type Atok token address contract, and then search for it and open the second link here, which is binplurer.com. Now you should see the token address here. You'll need to copy it and then go back to MetaMask and paste it under the token address. Now, if it does not fill the token symbol automatically, you can type Atok manually. And if you can type token decimals, you should type 18. Otherwise, leave it if it's disabled. Now simply click Next and click Import, and that should add Atok to your MetaMask wallet. And then you can use it to send or receive. You can click on Send if you want to send Atok, and you can simply click on Receive or copy this address to receive tokens. Oh, that's the contract address. You usually need to copy this address on the top to receive, and then you can simply swap between different coins, including Atok. You can also buy and sell in here, or click swap to if you want to swap from Ethereum to Atok or vice versa. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.